Have you ever stopped to think about what happens when a minister retires? Not just from the office, but from the daily rhythm of ministry. For many ministers of the gospel, retirement is what they have pondered about but not prepared for. Hello everyone, my name is Pastor Dr. George, and this is Purpose Beyond Retirement. For decades, ministry has shaped your daily life. Your calendar was filled with sermons, counseling sessions, leadership meetings, weddings, funerals, hospital visits, and countless opportunities to serve God's people. Then one day, everything changes. The responsibility becomes fewer, the phone rings less often, schedule becomes quieter, and for some, that silence can be surprisingly difficult. Then questions begin to surface. Am I still relevant? Do I still have something to offer? Has my assignment ended? If I've ever wrestled with those questions, you are not alone. Many faithful ministers experience a deep sense of loss after retirement, not because they have lost their faith, but because they have lost the role that defines most of their daily lives. But here is an important truth that every minister needs to hear. Retirement is from a position, not from purpose, because God never calls His children into a life without purpose. Retirement should be one of the most fruitful seasons of your life. It is a season to mentor younger ministers who need your wisdom. To disciple believers with the lessons you've learned over the years. To write, teach, encourage, and pray, and invest in the next generation. The years you've spent serving God have given you priceless experiences, and the experiences become legacy when it is shared. Instead of asking, what have I stopped doing? Perhaps the better question is, what is God inviting me to do in this new season? The truth is, the kingdom needs your voice, it still needs your prayers, it still needs your wisdom, and it still needs your example. If you're a retired minister, or you're approaching retirement, I want to encourage you today, don't see retirement as the end of your ministry. See it as the beginning of a new chapter. One where your influence can continue to shape lives in ways you may never have imagined. Thank you for watching. If this message encouraged you, please consider subscribing to this channel, sharing the video with fellow ministers who are retiring, planning to retire, or have retired. Together, let's continue this conversation about living with purpose, serving faithfully, leaving a lasting legacy after retirement. Bye bye. See you in the next video. God bless you.